Okay guys, I'm here with another Blizzard modification. This time, it's gonna be a quick remove plow. I got sick of undoing the screws all the time. So I'm gonna try something new. Take this off. Got this hardware here, some stainless steel screws and these little body mount clips. I'm gonna make it so you could take it off real quick with 3 clips instead of unscrewing it all the time. It's a pain in the you-know-what. So to do that, I'm gonna have to drill out this side over here a little bit to fit the screw through. Use my reamer. A little bit more. I actually should take these off, but alright, that's it. That's it. Here's my plow. I smashed it up in my last video, so I used UV glue and I built it up around here. It's actually pretty strong. I think it'll hold. You can see the UV glue on it. Magic. Well, anyway, I glued it like that, and I think it'll hold. It's pretty strong. Okay. Next, I have to get this screw here from a tie rod. I'm going to cut a little slit in it with a Dremel modal tool so I could screw it in here like that. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I cut the screw with the cutoff wheel on a Dremel and scribed it to fit like a screwdriver in there. Now I gotta put it in here. Hopefully it'll work. Not like that. Should be good enough. Now that it's in like that, I'm going to try to put my plow on. Put the bolt through. Take one of the body mount clips, just push it on. Just like that, and hold it in. Oops. Gotta do the other side. Just like that. Put the body clip on. And then on this side here, you could put one on, but I don't even think you need to put one on. I gotta test it out if it works. See if it works. Seems to be working. But I don't know if it'll work with the cover on, so I gotta put that cover on real quick. May hit. Looks like it's working. I don't even really think you need this body clip on here, because that ain't gonna come off. But I put it on anyway. It seems like it ain't hitting anything. And I was gonna say you may have to cut this screw here shorter, but it seems like it don't bother it anyway. It don't get in the way. So that's it. Now to take my Blizzard plow off. 1, 2, 3 little body clips and only the one screw for this cover. Okay, now after the mod, let's see how fast I can take my plow off. There you have it. Beauty. Till next time.